Welcome back to biology class. Now I would like to explain about different types of cell organelles and who discovered the particular cell organelles. What is the another name of cell organelles and function of particular cell organelle. See, there are different kinds of cell organelles. First one, nucleus. Second one, mitochondria. Third one, plastids. Fourth one, chloroplast. Fifth one, ribosomes. Sixth one, endoplasmic reticulum. Seventh one, Golgi complex. Eighth one, lysosomes. Ninth one, vacuole. These all are different kinds of cell organelles. Before going to this topic, I would like to explain about what are cell organelles. Cell organelles nothing but a small structures which are present inside the cell. Those are called cell organelles. So there are different kinds of cell organelles are present inside the plant cell or animal cell. These are a few cell organelles. See, first one is nucleus. This is an important cell organelle. See, once observe this picture. This is an animal cell. The center of animal cell has a round dense body is present, that is called nucleus. See, this is a nucleus. It is a dense body which is present inside the plant cell or animal cell. In animal cell, nucleus is present in the center of the cell, whereas in plant cells, this is a plant cell. This plant cell has nucleus, but it is a side of the cell. So, nucleus is present in animal cell and plant cell. It is in center of the animal cell. It is in a side in the plant cell. Okay. Who discovered nucleus? Nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown in the year of 1831. Next one. What is the another name of nucleus? Different types of another names are there. See. Heart of the cell or brain of the cell and cell's control room. These all are another names of nucleus, because it controls all the functions inside the cell. So, it is called brain of the cell, heart of the cell, cell's control room. It controls all the functions inside the cell. So, those are another names of nucleus. Next one. What is the function of nucleus? See, it consists genetic material. What is genetic material? See, this is nucleus. It is present inside the cell. These are chromatin fibers. Later it condensed becomes chromosomes. Chromosomes contains DNA. That is only genetic material. See, it consists DNA. What is DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. So nucleus contains genetic material which helps in passing of characters from one generation to next generation. What are characters? For example, hair color is one of the character. Eye color is one of the character. Skin color is one of the character. These all are different characters getting from our parents. So passing of characters one generation to the next generation because of DNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. This DNA present inside the nucleus. So that is, it consists genetic information. It helps in passing of characters one generation to the next generation. Next main function is it involves in cell division. It involves in cell division. One cell can divide two cells. Here cytoplasm can divide and nucleus can divide. So the main function of a nucleus, that is involves in cell division, and one more, it contains genetic information. It is also called as a cytoblast. Cytoblast means new cells are originated from nucleus only. Cytoblast. Okay, this is about nucleus. Coming to next cell organelle, that is a mitochondria. See where mitochondria is present. For example, if we consider it is as a cell, inside the cell has a small thread-like structure that is called mitochondria. Mito means small, chondrion means a small fiber or thread-like structure. It appears as a thread-like structures. These are called as mitochondria. This is only mitochondria. This is mitochondria. Who discovered mitochondria first time? See, Kollikar discovered mitochondria first time in the year of 1850. But the term mitochondria given by Benda. The term mitochondria given by Benda. Identified by Kollikar. The term given by Benda. Next one. What is the another name of mitochondria? Powerhouses of the cell. Why it is called as powerhouses of the cell? It produces energy. So it is called as powerhouses of the cell. Next one. What is the main function of mitochondria? Which produces energy inside the cell. Which produce energy. This is about mitochondria. Coming to next cell organelle, that is plastids. See here, there are three kinds of plastids are present. Chromoplastids, chloroplastids, leucoplastids. One is chromoplastids. See, chromo. That is the first one. Second one, chloro. Second one, chloroplastids. Third one, leucoplastids. There are three kinds of plastids. One is chloroplastids. Second one is chromoplastids. Third one is leucoplastids. Chromoplastids means which gives different colors. Chloroplastids which gives only green color. Leucoplastids which gives a white color or else colorless. These are plastids. In this particularly chlorophylls, chloroplastids are there. It consists chlorophyll pigments which gives only green color to the leaves. So see, once observe this structure. Chloroplasts or chlorophyll present only plant cell. See, this is a chloroplast contains chlorophyll pigments. These are chlorophylls. These are chlorophylls. Do you know? Chloro means green. Phyll means leaf. Green leaf. That is called chlorophyll. Green leaf. Chloro means green. Phyll means leaf. Green leaf is called as chlorophyll. Leaves are green in color because of chlorophyll pigments. Who discovered chlorophyll? Pelletier and Caventou. Pelletier and Caventou discovered chlorophyll pigments in the year of 1870. Next one, what is another name of chlorophyll? Green leaf. Green leaf. What is the function of chlorophylls? Provides green colors to the leaves. Next, chloroplast. Next cell organelle is chloroplast. See, chloroplast exclusively present in plant cells. See, this is the chloroplast. Chloroplast. It was discovered by Julius Van Sachs in the year of 1883. Julius Van Sachs. What is the another name of chloroplast? Kitchen houses of the cell, because of which prepares food material in the leaves. We are preparing food material in the kitchen room, whereas in plants, chloroplasts. Chloroplasts prepares food material, that is nothing but leaves. So here chloroplast, another name is kitchen houses of the cell, because which prepares the food material. What is the main function of chloroplast? See here, trap solar energy or radiant energy or quantum energy. That is the main function of chloroplast. Coming to next cell organelle, ribosomes. See, for example, this is the cell. Inside the cell has a small structures are present. These are called as ribosomes. These are primitive cell organelles. Means old cell organelles. It was discovered by Pallade in the year of 1955. What is the another name of ribosomes? Pallade particles or primitive cell organelles. What is the main function of ribosomes? Synthesis of proteins. Ribosomes can produce proteins. Coming to next cell organelle, endoplasmic reticulum. See, this is the cell. A channelized structures present inside the cell is called as endoplasmic reticulum, ER. There are two kinds of endoplasmic reticulums. See, one is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Second one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. SER means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum. Based on the ribosomes presence, it can be classified into two types. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum means there is no ribosomes on the endoplasmic reticulum, is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present on the endoplasmic reticulum. See, ribosomes, these are ribosomes present on the endoplasmic reticulum. This type of endoplasmic reticulum is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes are absent, those are called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, next one. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum produces lipids or fats. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes lipids or fats, whereas rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes proteins. That is the main function of smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Coming to who discovered endoplasmic reticulum or ER. ER means endoplasmic reticulum, which gives a framework to the cell. It spreads entire the cell. Next one, who discovered endoplasmic reticulum? Porter and Kalman in the year of 1897. Next one, what is the another name of endoplasmic reticulum? Endomembranous system or ergastoplasm. What are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum? Mainly, it involves in transport of materials. Next one, provides a framework to the cell. One is it involves in transporting of different types of materials. Second one is which gives a framework to the cell. That is about endoplasmic reticulum. Next one, Golgi complex. This is the next cell organelle. See, this is a Golgi complex present inside the cell. Golgi complex. See, small tube-like structures present inside the cell. It was discovered by Camillo Golgi in the year of 1898. Another name of Golgi complex is Golgi body. Golgi body. What are the functions of Golgi complex? See here, to pack various substances, and the proteins are altered slightly. It helps in packaging of various substances inside the cell. It helps in packaging of materials. Second one, proteins are altered slightly. Proteins get changes. It gets changes slightly inside the cell. Those two are main functions of Golgi complex or Golgi body. Next cell organ is lysosomes. See, this is the cell. Inside the cell has lysosomes. These are the finest structures. It do not appear with our eyes. We cannot see with the help of compound microscope even. We can see only electron microscope. These are very small. Smallest structures present inside the cell are called as lysosomes. Lysis means breakdown, soma means body. Lysis means breakdown. Soma means body. Soma means body. The destructive parts present inside the cell is called as lysosomes. It can see only electron microscope. It was discovered by Christian Didue in the year of 1955. Christian Didue in the year of 1955. Another name of lysosome, that is suicidal bags of the cell. Suicidal bags of the cell or atom bomb of the cell. It can destructive by themselves. It can destroy by themselves. So it is called as suicide. It can destructive by themselves are called as suicidal bags of the cell or atom bomb of the cell. Next one. What is the main function? It consists digestive enzymes. That is about lysosomes. Next, finally, vacuoles are present. Vacuoles. See vacuoles. Large sized vacuole present inside the plant cells. Smaller sized vacuole present inside the animal cell. Actually, it consists water and minerals and some other useful materials present inside the vacuoles, and some types of waste materials also contains in the vacuoles. These are important main cell organs which are present inside the cells, either plant cell or animal cell. Once remember, nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. Mitochondria was discovered by Kolliker. Chlorophyll was discovered by Pelletier and Caventou. Chloroplast was discovered by Julius Van Sachs. Ribosomes was discovered by Palade. Endoplasmic reticulum was discovered by Potter and Kalman. Golgi complex was discovered by Camillo Golgi. Lysosomes was discovered by Christian Didue. These are important cell organs and their discoveries. My dear children, once remember these all cell organs, draw these all diagrams, identify it, and write CW notes. Thank you so much.